Sunday afternoon. We're at your local Lowe's, prepping for a job next week. What are we gonna look for in here?
So we're doing a remodel on an Exxon station and a BP station, and we put a new counter in at the Exxon station Friday. And
Ben the builder did that.
Okay.
Oh, he did that. Like
no,
he was.
It was Brian.
Wait, he tore it out.
Not Ben. Ben tore it out.
Yeah.
Brian built it.
Okay. All right.
So I've got to find a stain color that the owner wants to make it pop, as he said.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. When I walked in, it kind of scared me a little. Still.
Okay.
40 years later.
We literally walked in and this. Oh.
Like a.
I'm gonna say that deep walnut, possibly.
This?
Well, see,
it's really that. That's being shadowed right there. It's really that with the light.
Okay. Oh, right next to it then. Driftwood, maybe, or special walnut.
Special.
I think you're right in the same. You're right in the neighborhood.
It's pretty dark.
I'm just gonna go on record to say that there is so much stain to choose from here.
There's a lot of stain to choose from.
How do you even know where to go with this?
I'll tell you how we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go try it. That one. That one. Early American.
Here's a good idea. You get
That's why they get you the little small
like the
ones.
little small containers to try. I like that idea.
Yeah, but look at this. They're 11 bones a piece. But this is what I've always done. I would rather pay for it and know what I was getting versus not and put something.
You're gonna throw that down the aisle and hurt somebody.
All right, let's roll.
So here we are in the aisle with all the wood. And you're gonna choose like a small piece of oak because why?
This is what the cabinet's made out of in the project. So we're
Okay.
gonna take these three and our little brush and we're gonna try on here, and then I'm gonna get the owner to approve it. That way, if it comes out and he doesn't like it, I don't have to redo it for free. I can say, well, that's what you chose.
Yeah, but also it's a great idea to see what it looks like before doing the whole project and then going, ugh, I hate it. Like, I mean, that would be me.
Yeah,
so
very much so.
That's a good idea.
Yep.
This is an interesting look.
Yeah.
How did you carry it on your head? Carry it on your head.
I can.
Yeah, you can. Wait. Yeah, you can. Hold on. And then we can do this.
No, God, no.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
There's no way.
Hold on.
No, there's
yes,
no way.
Yes,
no.
yes. You can hold it with your hands.
No, not doing it. Nope. No. They're expensive.
Okay, I like this door for the McGavick property. Just going back to that. I mean, obviously not navy, but I love the option of the.
It lets light in, but not people seeing you in there, which would be a little weird.
Right.
For me, like watching TV and somebody just walks up on the front porch and you're like a knock, like, hey, I'm sitting there in my box.
Just invite them in.
Yeah. Yeah, we go.
Okay, I really still think you should carry it on your head.
If I drop it.
You're not gonna drop it. It's lightweight.
Just
Wait.
like-
Oh, I can't. You keep your hands on it, but it should be like an Olympic sport. Oh my God. Wait, I can't wait. Hold on, you're running. Oh. This is what we call exposure therapy. Do you know what that is?
It's like where you have to get around the source of your fear. Like moves. It's moving now.
You have to hold still though. It's okay, and you gotta breathe.
He comes at me, I'm gonna throw this at him.
What?
He comes at me, I'm gonna throw this at him.
Move. Like, I mean, his mouth is moving. Are you okay?
Like most things in our life, this has now turned into a competition.
Right, I'm trying.
So here she goes.
Wait,
All right.
I gotta find the sweet spot. Hold on.
Yeah, and you gotta run. You have to run. Now, and the next event is we have to time it. You have to time it.
Wait, I'm not done. Hold on. Gosh. Wait, I have to. Wait, I'm good. Wait, I'm gonna get it. Stabilizing.
You got it, but there'll be no running. Oh, there she goes.
Okay, so like when you do the self-checkout, do you ever race people beside you? Like, who's gonna get out? Who's gonna get done the fastest?
That's right.
Here's the thing, Pat. I just raced probably an 80-year-old man, and he didn't even know we were racing.
Well, you feel good about that, huh?
I do. I beat him.
Maybe he's parked in handicap over here. Maybe we could run to the parking lot and see if you can beat him there too.
I don't take it to that extreme. I'm just talking about checking out when you do. And everybody, to be honest, everybody, do you do that? Do you race the people next to you?
You have to find somebody that's got an equal cart, like they got similar to the same amount of stuff in there.
I think he kind of did, but I mean, it doesn't matter. Like, even if he's ahead of me and I have a few things, I'm going to go as fast as I can. So I'm going to beat him.
All right there.
Yeah.
Well,